Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Hi, my name is Dayo Amusa. I'm an actress and a singer and a movie maker. And we are at the official opening of the Taylor Fashion House and Lord Taylor's media house. Well, for me, I'm not surprised seeing this because I've known her for years and I know that she does this. You know, over the years, way back then, she has, one way or the other, sold a whole lot of clothes for us that, while growing up, over the years back days then, I've always known her as a fashion person and I've always known the fact that she sews as a tailor, though not officially. But coming to see this now, I'm so happy and I'm proud of her for her to have, thought of establishing what she knows how to do because it's something I know she knows how to do. So, congratulations to you, Liz Da Silva, and I pray to God that you will keep moving from grace to grace, and by the special grace of God, by the time you will be living here, you will be living to your own house, like your own establishment, full establishment, by the special grace of God. I still remain my humble self, Dayo Amusa. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's exactly everything. Gua TV. Click on it. You see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's so. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.